Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a soufflé dessert. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for best results. Properly preparing your ramekins is crucial for a good rise, so butter and sugar them thoroughly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, placing a baking sheet inside to help regulate the heat and ensure even cooking. Next, we'll create the rich flavor base for your soufflé. This often involves a pastry cream or a bechamel, depending on your desired flavor. Cook it slowly over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens considerably. Once complete, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool for about 10 minutes, preventing the egg whites from cooking prematurely. Now for the magic, the meringue. Whip your egg whites with a pinch of cream of tartar until they form firm, glossy peaks. This aeration is key to a light soufflé. Carefully fold 1/3 of the meringue into your cooled base to lighten it, then gently incorporate the remaining meringue in 2 additions, preserving as much air as possible. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Fill your prepared ramekins about 2/3 full, smoothing the top gently. Place them on the preheated baking sheet in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until beautifully risen and golden. Serve your soufflé immediately, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar, to enjoy its incredible lightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.